Hello friends, today we will be studying natural indicator, rose and turmeric. So first we will understand what rose as indicator. Rose is an indicator and it is a natural indicator that is made from red rose petals. So first we will learn how to make rose extract. It is easy to make because it is easily available in our home plants. So first we will take fresh rose petals, crush them and add into hot boiling water and then filter the solution. So first we will know what is the color of the indicator after mixing with acid or base substances. So the original color of the indicator is light pink. When it is mixed with acid substance, it changes its color to shade of red. But when it mixes with basic substances, its color changes to shade of green. Now we will learn about turmeric indicator. So first we will know about turmeric. Turmeric is also known as golden spice. The turmeric belongs to ginger family. It has so many health benefits and also used as antiseptic. Turmeric as indicator. Turmeric is also a natural indicator. It only works as base indicator. Now we will see some observations with turmeric indicator. So first we will take lemon juice. There is no change in lemon juice and because it is an acidic substance. Now second sample is baking soda. Its color changes to red because its nature is basic. Now third object is detergent powder. Its color changes to red because it is an basic substance. Now the last substance is vinegar. There is no change in color with vinegar because it is an acidic substance. Conclusion. Rose shows acid and base substance both, but the turmeric shows only the basic substances. But both are natural indicator and both are useful. So today we will study till here only. Our next topic will be olfactory indicator. So we will study this in next class. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.